Hello everybody, let's get into the JK18 Hoard box. He had sent me some items a little while back, and we're going to take a look at one of the flashlights. It's an Eveready. Not in great shape, not sure where it came from. Perhaps the old lady I got Ginger and the Lazy Boy from. So we'll just go with that. Don't know how well it can be revived. Probably takes C batteries. So we'll see what happens here. Either takes C or D. I'll go get some of each and we'll give it a shot. I have determined it takes D cell batteries, so I have a couple of those. Let's get some batteries in it and see if it works. But take a note of that construction. Won't find anything like that anymore. Put some batteries in it and see if it's worth going on to any more steps. If it works, may polish on it a little bit. Works just fine. So I'll see if I can get some of this crusty stuff off of there and see what I can make it look like. I've been scrubbing and polishing on this flashlight. Just have to take a moment to appreciate how well this is built. It's got a GEPR2 bulb in it that fits in that nice copper spring. It's a tight tolerance there, but there it goes. And now I think we can screw this back together. Very well built. Very nice looking. Well, let's reassemble and give it a test. I think it's going to be good to go. There we are. Good as new. A little scratched up, but I mean, cleaned up overall pretty well. Let's give it a final look. Cut some lights and see what it looks like. As you can see, it puts out some pretty good light for what it is. So once again, this is the older of the flashlights from JK18's Hoard. Thank you for watching.